Jalab's Vlog.
Hello mga ka-Jologs! Ang video po natin ngayon ay ang aming oath-taking na ginanap po dito sa Philippine Embassy dito sa Singapore. At sa wakas mga ka-Jologs, magiging official officers na po kami ng OFW Global Movement for Empowerment. Kami po ay mga OFW na voluntary na rehistrado po ng ating embahada. At kahit saang sulok man yan ng bansa ay mayroong OFW Global Movement for Empowerment. At habang naghihintay po kami sa aming magli-lead, ayan, to the picture po, at thank you kay ma'am and sir nag-a-assist at nagpipicture po sa amin. So, ayan na nga mga ka-Jologs, mukhang paparating na si ma'am. At ayan na nga mga ka-Jologs, mag-i-start na po kami.
Magandang umaga. So today, we will be inducting and taking the oath of the new officers of OFW GME for the year 2023 to 2025. So, ready na ba kayo? Okay, sige. Please raise your right hand and repeat after me. I state your name. Having been elected to the position as, and please state your position. Of the OFW Global Movement for Empowerment, Singapore Chapter. Do hereby solemnly promise and swear. That I will conscientiously and faithfully discharge. To the best of my ability and duties. And responsibilities of my office. That I will uphold and defend. The movement's constitutional rights and bylaws. And bear true faith and allegiance to the same. That I will obey and enforce the laws, rules and regulations and policies of the organization. That I will actively participate and support all the movement's activities and programs. Including those that shall hereafter be adopted. That shall benefit the movement and the members in particular. And that finally, I shall impose this obligation upon myself. Voluntarily. Without personal vested interest. And without mental reservation or purpose of evasion. So help me God. Okay, so congratulations, and please stay true to the Constitution and bylaws of your organization. And again, congratulations.
Thank you. Ano ang next nating gagawin?
May message ba tayo?
Kung may message muna.
May message ba ang chairman? Or ang inyong advisor? For tayo future thinking?
First of all, Ma'am Julie, Person Julie, we can never ever thank you and your office enough for this, for your significant role in presiding or taking of this organization. We managed to pull in some of the more efficient, talented, and energetic young and old individuals like me to comprise a set of officers. And then we are willing to do what is necessary as a Filipino community member and to the Philippine Embassy. To the Philippine Embassy and the consulate, of course, we are willing to do what is necessary, and then we will abide the rules and laws of the Philippine Constitution. And the group constitution. Thank you very much.
Sino si chairman natin? May message ka din? Good morning.
Salamat po sa pag-indak sa amin sa officers. Asahan niyo po na full support kami sa mga PhilCom activities within Singapore activities ng Embassy and Philippine community voluntarily. This accept po our token of appreciation po.
Oh, wow. Thank you.
Galing po sa aming grupo para pag-preside na aming
Masabi mo?
ito po. For presiding the oath-taking of the newly elected officers OFW Global Movement Empowerment Singapore Chapter for the year 2024-2026. This token of appreciation is hereby given to Ms. Julian A. Binyan, Secretary, Second Secretary and Consul of Philippine Embassy Singapore. Please accept.
Thank you.
Also, please accept this in behalf of the Ambassador. A heartfelt appreciation and profound gratitude for the invaluable support and cooperation in acknowledging the presence of OFW Global Movement for Empowerment Singapore Chapter. Your assistance has been crucial and deeply valued in recognizing our collective efforts and existence. This token of appreciation is hereby given to Honorable Medardo G. Macaray, Ambassador, Extraordinary Employee Potentiary, Philippine Embassy, Singapore. On the 21st of April in the year of our Lord 2024 at the Philippine Embassy.
Thank you. Kakarating po kay Amba.
Salamat po.
Salamat po.
Thank you.
Picture na kayo?
Photo video mo. Group photo video.
Sa gitna.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Yes, and
Very much.
thank you so much. So, sino pupunta sa Sunday para sa si
I don't know.
yes.
Pag-usapan yung sa ano, ma'am.
Yeah. One of the agenda is yung pag-review. Bibigay ko ng update yung ating executive committee on the progress of their preparations. Of course, may call again from them and from the embassy for your continued support for that specific activity, and of course for the upcoming and activities that are in the pipeline.
Oh, marami pa.
Dito si Amba and that's dito si Conjoy. Sunday. So again, salamat.
Thank you.
Salamat, and sabi nga ni Amba, continue to support the embassy and continue continue to become the unofficial ambassadors of the Philippine culture, Philippine values, and the Filipino spirit para sa Singapore naman.
Thank you so
Okay,
much.
so see you again po Sunday.
See you soon.
And looking forward for your continued support.
Okay po.
Thank you.